Namaste, welcome to Monday Bytes from ChitraCars. Like the channel, share it to your friends, and subscribe the channel. Write your comments in the comment box, and thanks for encouraging me more videos. Hope everyone are at good health, and please make sure you subscribe the channel and receive the video first. This is on the topic important is metals. So what are the metals used to manufacture the cars? With the combination of metals, the car is made, and today's topic is on different types of metals used to make a car. The most used metal in manufacturing of a car is steel, iron, steel, whatever you call it, steel, because steel is abundant, number one. Number two, it is used extensively for manufacturing of doors, bonnet, the chassis, the suspension, wherever the steel is such a strong material. Even in collision, it protects you, and you are in a cage. You are safe in a cage. The pillars, the apron, the bonnet, the dicky, everything is made by steel. And the second material is aluminum. So aluminum is used, mostly was used in the previous in manufacturing luxury cars or speed cars or sports cars. Now the reason why they use that is the aluminum is a very good material, very strong but very light. So before the engines were made as cast iron engines, now they have replaced by aluminum engines because the performance is good and they are lightweight, so you'll get good fuel efficiency, and as well they are safe for you to drive. And the third one is copper. This metal, used copper, is basically because it's a very good conductor of electricity. So for the wires and the motor wiring, the electronic system, everything copper metal is used. To see that they perform effectively and perfectly for the safety of passengers in the car. These are the metals used today for manufacturing of the cars. You will have a continuation of this video. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think ChitraCars. Thank you.